In today's video, I will walk you through how to compare stocks on Yahoo Finance. Start by finding the Yahoo Finance app on your device and open it. Once the app loads, you'll arrive on the home screen where you can see a list of stocks and market information. From the home screen, browse through the available stocks and select the company you want to review. Tap on the stock to open its details page. After selecting the stock, you'll be taken to a screen that displays information and analysis related to that company. This section includes a chart that allows you to view performance over different periods of time. Look for the available time range options displayed near the chart. These options allow you to change the period being shown on the screen. Tap one of the available time ranges to view the stock's performance for that specific period. As you switch between the different options, the chart will update to reflect the selected time frame. You can continue tapping different time ranges to compare how the stock has performed across various periods. This makes it easier to review changes over shorter or longer spans of time directly within the chart. If you want to view the complete performance history available, locate the option labeled All and tap it. This setting displays the full range of data available for the stock. Once you select All, the chart will expand to show performance over the entire available period. The stock's historical movement will be displayed across the full timeline provided in Yahoo Finance. You can review the chart and compare how the stock has performed from the earliest available date through the most recent data shown on the screen. This gives you a broader view of the stock's performance over time. If needed, you can switch back and forth between the different time range options and the All view to examine performance over different periods. Each time you select a new option, the chart updates automatically. Continue exploring the available time ranges until you find the view that best matches the period you want to analyze. The chart remains interactive, allowing you to move between the available options whenever needed. To compare another company's stock, return to the list of stocks on the home screen and select a different company. Open its chart and repeat the same process by choosing different time ranges and using the All option when you want to view the complete performance history. That's all there is to it. Open Yahoo Finance, select a stock, view its chart, choose different time ranges, and use the All option to see the full historical performance. By switching between these chart views, you can compare stock performance across different periods directly within the Yahoo Finance app. Thank you for watching.